three or four questions that ask about single-use technology. So I think the purport of the questions are: we went to single-use technology and equipment, and now how does continuous fit in with that? Any thoughts on that connection between single-use technologies that people have been putting into their facilities, including many CDMOs, and now the drive to continuous?
Yeah, I think, I think the one area was obviously the impact single-use technology has had on large molecule monoclonal antibodies has been profound. Just from a capital investment perspective, moving away from stainless steel vessels, going to single-use disposables, it just provided huge flexibility, cost savings, and the overhead's gone down. So that fundamental is true, regardless of whether you're doing batch or continuous. The area where I see SUS is really having a significant impact is in cell and gene therapy these days, because these are heavily manual, labor-intensive processes, which have, and as such, as they're probably the most risky process any drug can have is aseptic processing, right? Because human beings are fundamentally manipulating and moving from unit operation to unit operation. The environment, all of that needs to be controlled in addition to the equipment. So the movement, anything that moves to a closed system just dramatically increases the overall reliability of the unit operation and provides a greater level of control. And we're seeing an evolution in SUSs right now, not just from the batch perspective of the reactor, but also from the overall processing side. I think of folks in the CAR T world are struggling with how do I bring the overall cost of goods down going forward. And you're finding these automated all-in-one systems which use a single-use technology as part of them to try and shrink and automate unit operations, taking the human being out of it, driving the reliability up. So I see them as a huge enabler going forward in terms of really pushing the overall cost of these goods down. If we're going to use a CDMO to do this, a CDMO is going to have the ability to rapidly, particularly for CAR T, where you're doing one batch, one patient, the ability to rapidly transition over from batch to batch to batch. SUSs make it significantly more viable to do that.